AI is revolutionizing the travel and tourism industry, providing innovative solutions that enhance the entire travel experience, from trip planning to personalized recommendations and seamless customer service. One significant application of AI in travel is in trip planning and itinerary customization. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including travel preferences, budget constraints, and destination information, to generate personalized travel recommendations. By considering factors such as individual interests, weather conditions, and local events, AI helps travelers create tailored itineraries that cater to their unique preferences. AI-powered virtual travel assistants are also transforming the way travelers interact with travel providers. Chatbots and voice assistants equipped with natural language processing capabilities can answer queries, provide real-time information, and assist with bookings and reservations. These virtual assistants offer 24/7 support, ensuring personalized and efficient customer service throughout the travel journey. In the hospitality sector, AI is enhancing guest experiences and hotel operations. AI-powered chatbots can handle guest inquiries, provide recommendations for local attractions, and even offer room service. Additionally, AI algorithms can optimize hotel operations by analyzing historical data on bookings, cancellations, and occupancy rates to forecast demand, optimize pricing, and streamline staff scheduling. AI is also playing a significant role in enhancing travel safety and security. Facial recognition technology, powered by AI, can expedite airport security procedures, automate check-ins, and enhance border control processes. Additionally, AI algorithms can analyze travel data and patterns to identify potential risks and enhance security measures. Furthermore, AI-driven data analytics in the travel industry enable businesses to gain insights into customer behavior, preferences, and trends. By analyzing social media posts, reviews, and booking patterns, AI algorithms can identify emerging travel trends and predict customer demands. This information helps travel companies tailor their offerings and marketing strategies to meet customer expectations effectively. As AI continues to advance, it will continue to revolutionize the travel and tourism industry. From personalized recommendations and virtual travel assistants to enhanced safety measures and data-driven insights, AI is reshaping the way we travel. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we will explore more AI applications in travel and tourism and uncover the future of AI in this dynamic industry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights on AI in various domains.